Hello guys, this is Omkar and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to unbox this gorgeous device from Xiaomi, which is Redmi Note 7s. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here's the package of the device and which I brought from mi.com. So let's cut the package. I seriously hate this. So here's the box of the mobile and here's the bill of it. The original tax invoice. So finally here's the device, Redmi Note 7s. 48 MP camera. Here you can see again device Redmi Note 7s Sapphire blue. The price on the box is 13,900, but I got it for 12,000. 48 MP camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, 6.3 inch display and 4000 mAh battery. I got the 4GB and 64GB variant. Nothing else listed on the box. So finally I opened it. So here's the device. Here's some paperwork. Okay, here's the manual of the device and one silicone rubber case. Let's check the quality of it. Yes, the quality is good. I got it same on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. I hate this also. Keeping these boxes aside and let's take hands-on on the device. Redmi Note 7s. The device looks good. Again the same details on the front screen as well. 48 MP plus 5 MP camera, Snapdragon 660, 6.3 inches display, 4000 mAh battery. Keeping this device aside, so let's check what else do we get in the box. So nothing here. Let's check if quick charge is available on this device. I can see that it's the same charger for 5 volt 2 ampere. So no quick charging for this device as well. Great. I hope they give quick charge to this device. Now checking the USB. Oh god. It's good to see Type C here. So keeping this aside, now let's get to the main thing, the Redmi Note 7s. The device looks good. The back is made of glass which looks attractive, so I got the blue variant for myself. So front camera, double AI camera, I'm sorry. The USB connector, the speakers, the IR blaster, the 3.5mm jack and the microphone for it. So the device is good. Thumbs up.